Excuse me, madam, would you care to dance? No, thank you, not with you. You're too small, too fat, too ugly. You are an ugly man. And anyway, I had a dance last week and that was quite enough. The man you see was far too big, too bold. A very vulgar man was he. But madam, would you not consider? I may not be very big, but my movements are unique. When I dance the Paso Doble, the ladies swoon in heaps. Why? Oh, now sweet, the Princess Veronique. You've heard of her, no doubt. She married Prince Frederick when no one else would have him. Invited me to partner her in a dashing slow quadrille. I was dazzled by her pearls and found myself immersed between her royal breasts. She said it was the best quadrille she'd ever had. Apart from the hunter's ball, when a colonel from the cavalry stroked her royal calves and rode her on his charger across the royal mall. So would you dance this dance, madam? The music has begun. It's an old Chicago foxtrot, with the vocalist thrown in. We dance between the couples, we dance between the pillars, we dance across the floor of polished glass. I held her and close. She sprinkled me with sweat. That old Chicago foxtrot, it drove us to the edge. My God, she gasped, you're right. Your movements are unique. This old Chicago foxtrot, this old Chicago foxtrot. Give me all of it.